Welcome to our Mid-term Multiplier Event, as it's called by the EU agency, of the Green Education in Media Erasmus Plus Cooperation Project.
Our learnings after this very intensive and very interesting and inspiring week, we had some outcomes. On one hand, it was amazing to see that we had these sustainable media practices. So students learned very fast how to implement these existing solutions that they came across, and how they also were inspired by their own visions of positive futures, and how this actually then fueled their ideas for the media concepts and prototypes that they have created.
For next year, we have a plan, not a detailed plan, but we know that it will take place in Greece area, and our host will be the National and Capodistrian University of Athens, probably around the same time, end of May, mid-June, and we are thinking about topics are still in the iteration phase, but it will be around biodiversity and water and reduction, which means also reduction in the media. And there are some tendencies towards audio.
Film industry is said to be the second one to be killed after the fast fashion, yes, and we already see that some action toward the fast fashion are already undertaken. So there is a big will to reduce the harmful effect of film and industry as well. Goal of this greening film production process is to not be left behind. As Europe is divided in small European markets, this is the link to Tobias. We need international collaboration. We need international harmonization of our rules and of our approaches.
Obviously, there is a high need of train-the-trainer programs. The need for upskilling industry professionals in the sustainable practices is highly wished. Our courses are full. The courses in Stuttgart are full. The courses in Munich are full. People want that, either in different, they want to become full green consultants, which is a full-time job, or they want to be eco-assistants, or they want to be line producers with an add-on as with more green aspects. There is a high demand for that. But if we are speaking about upskilling, we also need to see if the film industry is actually supporting that by giving the people the time free, or if other financial resources are coming, because obviously these courses are costly. The numbers are not secret. The cost for the Stuttgart course is 1,500 or 1,800 now. I'm not sure. 1,500, I think. So that's the money that you need to invest.
One of the things that Initiative Grün, the student initiative, has been able to implement is a so-called green money pot, der grüne Topf. This is a funding system where final film projects from students of Filmuniversity can apply for a lump sum of now 500 euros per project if they show that they're doing they're implementing at least some measures to work more resource friendly and ecological with their films.
As we knew that we wanted to use this eco-friendly lighting, it was the challenge for the production to get this very expensive Espera LED tubes. It was a lot of extra work, but it was, of course, worth it. Also, we had some standard ideas like reusable, rechargeable batteries. So we just would use this kind of rechargeable batteries, and we always used like electricity from the locations and wanted to avoid generators. And as the lighting concept was based on using a lot of available light and reflectors, we also could shoot close to the lake, and we did not have so much equipment with us.
So ultimately, here come to the end, this is about rethinking impact, quality, and value. So we have a little compass or diagram here. We want to explore pathways to impact that are built or that are following the idea of repurposing and allow us to evaluate quality on one hand and create value on the other hand.
So I will be happy to continue and to invite you to the next series. I think it's after the MX, Erasmus XR, and Green Education in Media, it will be the time to take the challenge of the impact and social impact of our work. So we have a lot of inspiration for the next project to work on. So also on the entrepreneurial education, because if people will not believe that it's feasible, if they will not have courage to take it, to test it, to just try, we will not break this wall. Yes.